Now, starting with relations, again I am going to start this topic related with class 12, what we are going to do, and from time to time a small recap. I am going to give you a small recap. Now, here the relation, now basically first of all I have just written this one. Now what relation is? Now relation is a subset of the Cartesian product A cross B. Now this is the relation. You can say that relation is a pattern, relation is a link between the two sets. How it is linked? As we have discussed in the ordered pairs, that first with A, second with B, set A, first element with set A, second element with set B. Similarly, now what this R means, R, capital R, always we are going to use some relation for it. It can be any relation, it can be a mathematical relation, it can be a human relation. For example, I have two things are there. One is father and another is son. So we can describe what the relation is between these two. If we are knowing that the person standing is a father and the child is a son, then we can say he is the father of this child. Similarly, in mathematics, we can say set of congruent triangles. So that are the relation between each triangles. So many examples are there for this thing. Now we are starting with relations. So now in this topic for the relation, we are going to discuss how they are represented, what are the domain and range for this, and the third thing which I have not written, that is how many possible relations are there in the two sets. Now let's first of all discuss with a relation is a subset of A cross B. And again in the subset part also, many times you students are confused that what subsets are, how we are going to deal it. Now just we are going with, suppose set A has elements, that is 2, 3 and 4. Set B has elements, okay, let it be 2, 3 and 5. Here it is 4, 9 and 25. Now these are the two sets, and in the first appearance when you are looking towards this, means what I want from you people, I want to explore your ideas. Before whenever I am writing, you should just guess it what I am doing. So now this is 2, 3 and 5, and here I have written 4, 9 and 25. Relation, it is clearly visible what the relation is between this. Now we are writing the ordered pairs, or from set A to set B, what the relation is. Now we are having 2 with 4, 2 with 9, 2 with 25. Similarly, 3 with 4, 3 with 9 and 3 with 25. Then last 5 with 4, 5 with 9 and 5 with 25. Now what these are? These are the ordered pairs. These are the ordered pairs in it. In the set A and B Cartesian product, you can say in the Cartesian product we have written the ordered pairs. Now let's move with some relation in it, and for that particular thing I just want to tell you how we are going to represent these things. You already have gone through in class 11th that how relations, basically how sets are represented. We are representing the set in the roster form and in the set builder form. We are representing sets in the roster form and in the set builder form. Now this is the basic thing, that how we are going to represent a relation. Now the thing is that what we have to represent. For example, now I am saying from these ordered pairs, suppose A is a square of B. A is a square of B. Now before going to this part, let me tell you, we are writing A comma B, this is the ordered pair, is such that X belongs to A belongs to set A and B belongs to set B. So this is also in the roster form. We have written we are describing a relation in the roster form. Now is a square of this term is a square of this seems to be a relation. This seems to be a relation. Now from all these ordered pairs, can we get something related with is a square of? Let's see. We are having A is in relation with B, and what R represents? R represents is a square of. Now select from it what we are having. Now written from this part we are having A is a square of B. A is a square of B. Can you tell me which is the square of B? None is there. Nothing is there in these things. Basically we are not having anything. We are having this, we can termed as a empty relation. We are going to also discuss these things in the further in the next module. So is a square of, we are not getting anything. Now let's change it. Now A is a square root of B. Now you can you guess now? A is a square root of B. So square root of 4 is what? That is 2. So we can say A is a square root of B. This can be possible. Now 3 comma 9 is a square root of 9. 3 is a square of root 9 of 9. What is A? From that ordered pair, A is 3. What is B? B is 9. Similarly, we can go for this part also. 5 comma 25. So basically from among all these ordered pairs, what relation was given to us? What relation was given to us? That was we selected these three things according to our relation part. Now in the roster form, how to represent this in the roster form, how to represent this in the set builder form, I am going to tell you right now.